Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to refund your money on PayPal. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch your PayPal app and log in. So you launch your PayPal app and log in, and it should look like this. So what you want to do is just to scroll down to your recent activity, and you'll see your most recent transactions. So you can find the transaction that is a negative transaction, which means that you were the one who sent money. So for example, I have this one here, and you want to scroll down to report a problem. If you are dealing as buyer and seller, you would have the option of refund. Request a refund, but we do not have that because we are not dealing as buyer and seller. This was just a simple transaction. So what you want to do is click on report a problem, and it will take us to the resolution center. Now you need to be very careful, because if there is a discrepancy in your complaint and PayPal realizes that you are having a discrepancy, then you will be penalized and you might even be terminated. So when you want to request a refund, you need to be sure that you have a problem with the product or service that you are provided. So for example, you can fill in the details. So you can just say the service was cancelled, depending on the type of problem that you have. So you just fill in the details. It is very easy and straightforward and broad, so it should be able to cover your issue. Even if your issue is not in the options, you can write a detailed feedback and they will reach back to you in a few days. So all you have to do is go ahead to report a problem, and you can follow the easy steps from there. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.